Hey guys, what's up? It's the Lawn Care Kid back with another video. Today we have a pretty exciting announcement. Not sure why I'm showing you the Skag, but I am doing a giveaway. It's nothing too exciting, but I just I want to give back to my fans and my followers. We're just about to hit 3,000 subscribers, and thought it was appropriate to do a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So what I'm going to be giving away is I'm going to be giving away a tire plug kit. It's a kit with all the things you need to put a plug in a tire. It's pretty useful because you get a lot of flats, especially doing the type of work I'm doing. You get a lot of flats in your mower tire, your car tire, so it's pretty useful for everybody. And I just want to give back to the community. But it's a kit. It has a bunch of tire plugs, all the parts you need to fix a tire. So I thought it was just something nice to give back to the community. Not a huge giveaway, nothing like that, but I did do a giveaway in the past when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so thought it was time to do it again. We're about, let's see, maybe 70 subscribers away from hitting 3,000, so I think I'm going to announce the winner when we hit like 3,100, something like that. But how you're going to want to enter is you're going to want to leave a comment below. Just say why you subscribed, and let me know your favorite video on the channel, and that'll get you entered. Also make sure to like and be subscribed, of course. But yeah, that'll get you entered, and then I'm going to do a random comment picker, and I will see who wins. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. But I don't have the tire plug kit with me to show you guys, but it'll be pretty nice, and maybe add a little surprise in the giveaway as well. So yep, leave a comment below your favorite video, why you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.